guys, it's your boy Miles here, bringing you guys a brand new video. So today I will be teaching you guys how to make a crown out of paper. So let's get right to it. So a crown out of paper, I need 2 pieces of paper. I only got 1. I got a bunch of pieces of paper to the side though. Here we go. And I think I got, I don't know. I'm really confused because I just got finished playing with my friends and it's like 8 o'clock now, like at night. I'm so tired, but I decided to make this video. Alright guys, so all you gotta do is like, you might want to make it like as wide as you want, but I would suggest like, yeah, about this big. And then you cut through like this. And if you want, if I go too fast, you can always pause the video. Alright, so like that. I'll give you a minute to catch up. Alright, I know it's not perfectly straight, but it's good enough for now. Alright. So I guess, alright, I gotta, I think I gotta get a glue stick. 1 second, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back with the glue stick. So let's get right to it. So what you gotta do is you gotta take the paper apart. I usually so you gotta put glue right here on this end. You guys don't have to follow me. You guys can do it like a completely different way if you like. But I kind of suggest you follow along, but if you don't want to, you don't have to. There we go. So you put these papers together. Alright, I'll wait for you guys to catch up. And it's going to look like this. And then you want to make a round circle. So you will want to glue this side again. Doesn't matter which side really, I guess. Whichever sides you like, but doesn't matter. Alright, there we go. I got that side. So we're gonna do this. Wrap it like this. Gotta make like a round circle type shape. I make sure it's like clamped together. I'll wait for you guys to catch up. Alright, and then here comes like kind of the hard part. You gotta like cut like a bunch of triangles to go around it. So we could do that together. So do you guys know what triangles are? So if you don't, which you should know, but if you don't, they're like this. Okay. So we just gotta make like a bunch of these, and like I made one this morning. I actually think I came up with this. I just gotta keep making. So I'm trying to go as fast as I can, guys. This takes a while because there's a lot of triangles to cut out because it's a big crown. You can make it the size that you would like. You don't have to make it this particular size, but I kind of like a crown that, I'm trying to go for like a crown that would go on your head, that would fit on your head. Alright, here we go. I think this might be enough. I'll do 2 more. just for doing it because don't want to run out. There we go. Alright, so like this, and then you're going to want to take your glue stick again and like take this, and then you know the top of the glue stick where the glue is, you just want to like rub that across it 3 times, and then you want to stick it there, and there. That's your first triangle. We want to make it all the way around there. So I'm just going to put all around there. Yeah. I usually don't make these type of videos, but I'm just trying to make like a bunch of different videos. I was thinking of making like my YouTube channel name called Miles Gaming, but I want to do stuff other than gaming, and I've been trying to do more stuff than just game. If you haven't seen my other videos, my dancing videos, or like my magic track video, you should definitely go see it. It's amazing. I work hard on these videos, so could you like and subscribe, please? It's 2 clicks for you guys, but it means a lot to me. Alright. I'm trying to make, I don't think this is going to be enough. Maybe it could. Because, yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Almost done. We might have to do a few more triangles than this. Okay. And I'm trying to do this quick because I don't want to take too long, because it's going to be my bedtime soon, and because, like I said, it's like 8 o'clock and I go to bed at 9. Tonight, by the sounds of it, maybe 10. But I don't know. Okay. Ooh. This is not... I could maybe, guys, at the end of the video, show you my other one. You know what, guys? I'll go show you what it's supposed to look like. I'm going to get it. It's right over here. Here, this is what I'm like looking forward to doing. This. A crown. It's cool. Alright. Gotta keep gluing. Just keep putting the triangles on there. Yeah, guys. I just like realized like a few days ago I can't put comments on my videos. So you guys sadly can't comment. I keep telling my dad to please put comments on my videos, but he says no. And I don't know why, but he won't really tell me. He kind of does. Well, he does tell me because he thinks someone's going to be mean to me and like put something bad in the comments. Okay. I do not know how... Oh my gosh. What happened there? I accidentally ripped the paper. But there's still a good triangle there that I could use. This paper's really crinkly. Almost there, I think. It took a lot of effort this morning when I did my thing. But yeah, it's just that hard. It's not actually, I wouldn't call it hard. It's not that hard, but just a tiny bit. Okay. This might be a long video, actually. I was really not hoping for it to be that long. Guys, I might have to cut the camera for now and meet you guys like when the I put all the triangles on. Yeah. That might be a good idea. Alright. What? Never mind. Never mind. I'm not cutting the camera. I'm just going to keep gluing and gluing and sticking and sticking. Glue, stick, glue, stick. I should maybe spread these out a little. You know what? This is pretty cool. I wonder how your guys' turn is gonna turn out. I bet it's gonna be real good. Yeah, I hope you guys can follow along, and I hope this is fun. I know I'm taking a while. I found a new piece of paper because, yeah, it's because I'm running out of space on the other one. Ow, I think I just cut myself. My finger's fine, but I was a little pinch. I'm fine. Alright, almost there. Just gotta keep sticking and gluing. Guys, I wonder if you guys can go faster than me putting these triangles on. If you can, like the video and subscribe so I know that you have took a longer time than me. Alright, I gotta put one more on. And there we go. Alright, guys. Oh, I think I gotta do one more. Alright. There we go. Alright. So, if yours looks like this, I think you've done it right. And remember, if you put something to mind, you can always do it.